We went in there with the idea of not having a shiny kitchen, and then as soon as we saw it...
We came out and wanted a modern kitchen with all the high gloss, didn't we? I'm Sam, and this is my husband Kris. We've got 2 children, Macy and Aaliyah. They are 6 and 5, and we live in Crewe. After a loft extension, we decided to add on with the architect, and I've always wanted a large kitchen, and it just seems to work. We spend nearly all of our time in here now.
Decided to choose Wren just due to family having good experiences. We didn't really know what we wanted at the showroom.
And we just had a nice look round first, and then we went over to a guy and he asked, do we need any help?
Yeah,
and
Dan.
Dan from the Warrington store.
And then it was like, oh, we can get someone to come out and measure up today for you. And we were like, all right, we're only planning and getting ideas. We can plan a bit better if we know what space we've got.
So we thought, why not? Let's just get the ball rolling. And we came out, we went back later on that day and just designed it all within about 4 hours, didn't we? We're having 2 little girls and a lot of mess. We wanted everything just hidden in cupboards. Dan really helped. He came up with quite a few different suggestions of what would work. We knew we wanted a big island, and moving the island over to fit and giving us sort of like the space that we had in our head sort of on the computer.
We spoke about the finance of having the 0% finance. Because although we had sort of the money there to buy it, it was more of a case of, well, because we were doing the extension, not knowing how much we were going to be spending on everything else, Dan came up with the idea of the 0%.
And that pushed us to have it earlier because we weren't going to start the kitchen extension until this year. So we chose the quartz worktop on Dan's recommendation, really. I did sort of go and have a look around the showroom and sort of tell him what I liked. But I also wanted something that was really hard wearing, especially with the kids. They like to paint, mess around in here.
Once we put the order in on that first occasion, we'd get updates off Dan to say schedule for delivery on whatever date.
He kept in contact with us, and then also I had like regular emails with time slots and deliveries.
I'd definitely recommend Wren. Obviously we went on a recommendation from family, and I know that people that have come here have asked where we've got it from.
We already recommend them like through Instagram, like I talk to my clients, people that come round. We already recommend them without even thinking about it.